Welcome. Ever wondered how AI can power a new passive income? Today we're exploring how to create something people want using fantastic tools and a clear roadmap. Imagine generating income from your passion or skill with AI assistance. We'll walk through the entire process. Our focus, the award-winning 2026 Side Hustle Blueprint, providing a comprehensive guide to navigate the rapidly evolving. First, let's examine the foundation. Understanding the blueprint, which breaks down the process into manageable
steps
to identify opportunities and effectively use AI. It's your personal roadmap to digital income exploration. Now, let's discuss the tools to bring your ideas to life, including AI-generated digital products. We'll explore using AI for creating digital assets like helpful guides, creative workings, and unique art. It provides assistance in generating these assets, saving time and unleashing new creativity. Once your creations are ready, you need a place to share and sell them. Platforms like Gumroad and Ko-fi enable selling digital products directly to your audience. With these tools, you can easily create, package, and sell your AI-generated assets. Finally, the integration of AI and a platform like Base 44 streamlines the creation and distribution of digital assets. The world of AI-driven income is expanding rapidly, and with the right tools and a clear plan, you can be part of this innovative ecosystem. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this gave you exciting ideas for your financial goals. If you found this helpful, consider following for more insights on leveraging technology for your income. Dream of financial freedom and a better quality of life. Don't hesitate or risk missing this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Start now. Subscribe for more life-changing tips, coming very soon.